Many e-commerce businesses are launched every day, and the majority of them are going to fail soon. Most people think that managing an e-commerce business is an easy job until they try to do it. An e-commerce business requires several elements in order to be successful. Just like any other type of business, it needs to have highly qualified people, effective processes on value creation, marketing, sales, value delivery and finances, and of course, great products. Between all these essential elements, one that people get really stuck is on the development of effective sales processes. The products will not sell themselves, therefore creating an online store and not knowing how to make sales on this virtual platform is a complete waste of time and money. A highly efficient and cost-effective way of closing more sales is to implement the cart abandonment e-commerce campaign, since about 70% of online shopping carts are not checked out. This marketing strategy, if applied properly, can improve considerably sales really quickly, since it takes advantage of the efforts that are already being made on driving new visitors to the online storefront. Cart abandonment e-commerce campaign management best practices. In order to create and execute a successful cart abandonment campaign and increase considerably sales, there is a necessity of following some fundamental best practices, which involve content creation, web development, testing, and others key elements. These are the top 5 best practices for achieving cart abandonment campaign success. 1. Hire a good copywriter. Sometimes people will not buy certain product simply because they do not understand fully the value proposition of it. In this case, the money seems more valuable than the product offered at the moment, and people will prefer to hold on money. That is where high quality content plays a major role in conversions. Having a good copywriter can make a real difference between selling a few dozens and a few thousands of products, simply because this type of professional understands people and how to convey that the product is worth in value as a solution for a certain human need or desire, more than the value of its price tag. 2. Develop an effective user experience. Visitors need to be pleased by the design and overall flow of the e-commerce website. The best offers should be well displayed, and the search field should be easy to access and effective on finding products researched. The checkout process must be as simple as possible. And lastly, but not least important, the website should use responsive web design in order to look appealing in all different devices. 3. Use customer activity triggered emails. These types of email messages usually receive over 100% higher click-through rates than the regular messages. Therefore, when a potential customer leaves an online shopping cart not completing a potential purchase, if the e-commerce business has his email address, it should send a message as soon as possible with some type of incentive for the person to complete the purchase. If the incentive is good and the products are great fit into the interests of the potential customer, there are very good odds of the sale completion, just because the e-commerce business sent this type of email. 4. Test every campaign. Testing allows the e-commerce business to keep improving its results continuously over time. Therefore, it is necessary to define well the key elements that will be tested in order to generate insightful data that will drive future improvements on the abandonment cart. Campaign elements. Better campaign elements equals better sales numbers. 5. Track key metrics. The key metrics will vary depending on the type of online store. Each e-commerce business has to define what are the key metrics that should be followed closely in order to generate insights that will drive specific future actions to achieve the strategic business goals. Need assistance? This was just a surface look at these best practices that should be followed in order to create an effective abandonment e-commerce campaign management. For learning more details about this powerful marketing strategy, visit today. Get any doubt solved through live chat, email or telephone. Learn how to do all this yourself or outsource the whole abandonment e-commerce campaign creation and execution for specialists at the team with several years of experience and accumulated knowledge.